Hi, it's Haru from HarusKitchen. I have a question. Do you like animes? I have been loving them since when I was a child. Of course, I love mangas as well, and I often read one in the bathroom. As is often the case with me, I left the comic book there and get told off by my wife. For example, in Japan, when I was a child, Ultraman, Kamen Rider, Hokuto no Ken, or Saint Seiya were in fashion. I think fighting comics like Dragon Ball were popular. Ant-Man also fights against the meaty man saying punch. Anyways, animes in which superheroes defeat bad guys were popular. But these days, such animes are being labeled as violent content, and they are not aired as often as before. They say Ant-Man's lovely punch is not good for education. What do you think about it? I'm disappointed like how silly they are. Japanese people tend to have a controversy over stupid things because they enjoy peace. In such a context, Ass Detective is now becoming very popular. His face is an ass and, in the end, he breathes out stinking gas and busts the bad guys. Yes, fart is his death blow. It seems to be okay because it is not a physical attack. Where are the Japanese roots going? Anyways, Ass Detective is surely popular among children. Daichi sings or dances to the theme song almost every day. He looks happy, doesn't he? But I was forced to watch Ass Detective more than 100 times and completely got an allergy. So I will make chicken Nanban for a change. Sour Nanban sauce and tartar sauce with pickled scallions are super delicious. Let's begin. Chicken thigh, cabbage, onion, pickled scallions, eggs. These are all the ingredients. First, making Nanban sauce. Add 70 ml of Mirin to a pot and heat it. Heat it for 3 minutes after it boils in order to get rid of alcohol. Soy sauce, 20 ml. Vinegar, 20 ml. Sugar, 15 grams. Cooking sake, 10 ml. A little Hondashi. A little flavor enhancer. Next, boiling eggs for tartar sauce. Using 1 egg is also okay, but using 2 makes it milder, so I prefer to use 2 eggs. Add the right amount of the water to cover the eggs and boil it. Boiling time is 20 minutes after it boils. Cut onion into pieces and mince them using the food processor. This time, I use seasonal onions, which are not pungent, but if you don't have ones, rub it in salt. Mince pickled scallion with the onion at the same time. If you do it for a long time, it results in something different from what you intended, so be careful. Put the minced ingredients in a bowl and add boiled eggs as stirring. The size is up to you. Add mayonnaise as much as you want. If you do not know the appropriate amount, please check its taste after adding mayonnaise. Half a teaspoon of Hondashi. A little flavor enhancer. Mix them carefully, or you will break the egg. Next, cutting a chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. Put the chicken in a bowl and add some salt and pepper. A little flavor enhancer. Rub the chicken so that the seasoning is intermingled well. Next, deep frying chicken thigh. Mix flour with potato starch at a ratio of 3:1. The temperature of the oil is 170 degrees Celsius. And the proportion of oil should be 8 salad oil and 2 sesame oil. I tried a variety of proportions, but this ratio is the best. If it is only salad oil, it is too light, and if the amount of sesame oil is too much, it becomes very heavy. When they become golden brown, pick them up. Make sure to drain extra oil. If you found them still raw, it is okay to fry them again or microwave. Anyway, sauce is going to put on it. Let's dish up. Put Nanban sauce on chicken. I love tartar sauce, so I will put a lot. It's done. It looks very nice. First of all, let's check the taste of Nanban sauce. Yes, super delicious. The sourness and sweetness make the great harmony. Next, try it with tartar sauce. This is astonishingly delicious. Scallion makes the taste much better. And the best accompaniment is Asahi Super Dry. This is the usual one. So, we'll take our time and enjoy it. Sour and sweet Nanban sauce and tartar sauce were very delicious. Making the sauce is kind of demanding, but I strongly recommend to do it. It makes chicken Nanban, which is already delicious, much more delicious. And actually, tartar sauce and Nanban sauce go really well with the salad. If you make too much, keep it and use it as dressing. That is all for today. Looking forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.